Exercise 71 Pitman shorthand dictation ready start. To secure the best from himself and to give right service to others, both the clerical worker and the manual laborer must have fresh air and healthy rooms to live in. Bright, airy rooms into which the sun's rays may pour and the breezes blow when desirable. Dark rooms retain germs of disease and either reduce the worker's life or weaken his physical strength so as to make him unable to do severe work either of brain or muscle. A robust man may carry on for a time in dreary rooms, but eventually such places must cause injury to him and bring on loss of force and energy. He will arise in the early morn, dull and weary from the outset, in place of rising merry and bright and ready for anything in the day's work. In our opinion, the brighter the rooms we live and work in, the better our work is likely to be stopped.